I have this art piece here that I will be using as a demo to create the GIF. So from this screen, you'll go to Setting, and under Canvas, turn on the Animation Assist. And that will pop up the animation timeline where you could see all the frames. I want to set this painting here as a background for all of my frame. So this will be a still frozen background, and what I will do is tap on the image on the timeline and just make sure that to have the background setting on. And for my animations, I want to basically add in some quick animation art for the shadows and the sparkles that will be moving onto her dress. So what I'll do is to add frame, and I will go ahead and draw in the shadow. Okay, so that would be done for my first frame, and then I'll add in another frame. So just tap on the add frame down here, and what that would do is that it will add in a second frame for you to add in more of the animation. And I have the onion skin opacity on and skin frame max. What this means is that it kind of have the faded outline of what you have previously drawn on for your animation. So you can see from the previous frame, I added in the sparkles and the shadows, and I'm going to my next frame. It's kind of faded out the previous frame I added, and that's just kind of help you and guide you to know where your animations are positioned. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing of what I did for the previous frame. Okay, now that I have two of my frames added on for the shadows and the sparkles, I can press on the play right here. And now you can see that my paintings is being animated, and so you can see the moving shadows, the moving sparkles. If you go into settings, you can change the frames per second. So if you want it to go faster, you can. Since I only have 2 frames, I just think setting at 4 frames per second, I think that would be okay. And there's different type of animation that you can set. You can have it at loop or ping pong. I think one shot is just like a still image, and ping pong is basically moving forward and then moving backward. And then for the loop, it would just play repeatedly. And I'll just go ahead and have mine setting for the loop. And once it's ready to export, I'll just go into share, and I will click on the animated GIF portion. And I'll go ahead and press on export. And there's you can save the image, you can save it into your drive however you would like. I'll just go ahead and save the image really quickly. Now I have the animated GIF that we just created.